Welcome. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to transfer server ownership on Discord using your PC with the latest update. If you're ready to hand over control of your server to someone else, just follow these quick and simple steps to get it done smoothly. First, open up Discord on your PC and head into the server where you want to transfer ownership. You'll need to already be the current owner of the server in order to complete this process. Once you're inside the server, go to the top left corner of the screen and click on the server's name. From the drop-down menu, select the option that says Server Settings. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see several tabs on the left-hand side. Click on the one labeled Members. Here, you'll get a full list of everyone in your server. Scroll through the names until you find the member you'd like to make the new owner. Make sure this is someone you trust, since once the transfer is complete, they'll have full control of your server. Next to their name, you'll see 3 dots. Click those dots, and from the menu that appears, choose Transfer Ownership. At this point, Discord will ask for confirmation before proceeding. You'll see a box asking you to confirm the transfer. Check the box, then click Transfer Ownership to finalize the process. That's it. Your server has now been transferred to the new owner. From this moment on, you'll no longer have the server owner role, and the person you selected will take complete control. If you still want to stay involved, you'll remain in the server as a regular member, but you can always be assigned another role by the new owner. Transferring ownership can be useful when you're stepping away from a community, managing a group project where leadership changes, or simply passing the torch to someone else who's ready to take over the responsibilities. It's a quick process, but it's important to choose carefully, because once the ownership is gone, you can't take it back unless the new owner decides to hand it back to you. And that's how you transfer server ownership on Discord using your PC with the most recent update. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll have no trouble making the switch.